Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and today I'm in Ikea where they're putting out all kinds of beautiful decor for spring, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun.
I love Ikea, but it takes a long time to go through, so today we're going to look at their decor and accessories. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to come back and look at their showrooms. So let's start off with some of their baskets. So I think these are a really good buy. I've seen these other places for a lot more money. Here they are $25. Now I don't think they're super practical, definitely more decorative, and I think very in style right now. So many baskets. They have this one that is like the miniature one from Target Dollar Spot. This is pretty large, and this one is $9.99. I love these. They are pretty long runners. So this one is $29, and I'll turn. There's a couple rugs over there that I want, but they are not coming home with me, and yeah, they're on clearance now, so they're probably not going to be around long. But this runner is really nice. We have a nice open walkway that we're going to have to put something on. They also have a lot of woven placemats. I think these could be even maybe wall art. So this one is $2. All the rest of them are $5. This one's probably my favorite. They also have this one with the black threading in it, and then this one that's a little bit heavier. They've got a lot of new glass pieces. So they've got this smaller one for $5, and then this large vase. This one is $20. Sort of gray, almost blue. Lots of these blue pitchers that are ceramic. It's kind of a cobalt for $20. We have the set of 3 glass vases, and those are $14.99. And then some more blue over here, a little bit smaller pieces. So this one is $9.99 in the blue. This one's between blue and gray for $12.99. And then this one that is $7.99. So I'll show you guys how much blue is all along this wall, and then it just kind of drops into the blush items. We saw these last time we were here. I actually picked one of these up for my daughter's room. I love it, for $2.99. They have this larger one down here that is very pale pink for $9.99. And then I think it was Christmas time I showed you guys these. I wish they were trimmed in like maybe a beige or a black, but this one is huge and heavy. It's only $9.99, and then they've got these that are only $7.99. Over here they've got a few more decor pieces. I actually really like these. They're just little standing iron circles, $7.99 and $9.99. They have some stars, this little orb looking thing. I think this is $7.99, and some golden fruit. So there's an apple for $9.99, and then they've got it in a heart for $5.99. And if you have a couple crazy monkeys, it comes in a banana. And now it's really getting hard because I want to take this home. It is a really gorgeous tray, $25, so they do have it all covered in plastic. It's a square. Oh, they also have this one in the darker tones. These have wrought iron handles. Look at this one. These are both ovals for $29.99. Oh man. Oh, it looks like they also have the square in the darker tone. I really want to take this home. And for $5.99, I also want to take this home. Maybe I could fit this in one of the boxes. They're selling mini lemons in jars. This is so cute. So there are 9 in there, and they are $4.99. They also come in the limes. I'll show you guys how small. And they're like ceramic. I also love this honeycomb iron dish. This is only $7.99. So I have to show you guys, these are both canvases, and they're both $40. I want both. I love this map. It's on black, just so pretty. And then this one is the phonetic alphabet. I really want this one for my son's room. It is so cool. Oh my gosh, Ikea is killing me. I just found these and they're $39. So I believe it is a 2-pack. So it comes in this, it's really sort of an off-white color. And then it comes in the herbs on the black background. Oh man. Why is everything so cute today? They also have this gorgeous set of 4 prints. They're just all botanicals. And I can't find any more of them. This might be their last one. And these are gorgeous in the black and white. It looks like there's 3 prints. It comes in the hydrangea, comes in this dewy leaf. Looks like there's little beads of water on it. And then it looks like there's also a wheat print. And the 3-pack is $11. I also did not know they did LED candles. So they sell them individually, and those are $3.99 a piece. They've got the 2 set, and those are in gray for $7.99, and then they've got the set of 3 for $9.99. I love these candlesticks. So they're $12.99, and they are a set of 3 in black. These are definitely something that we've seen from Hearth and Hand. We're gonna look at a few of their pots because I really like some of the things they're doing. This is the larger one and it is $20, and this is cement. They also have more of a medium, and that one is $9.99. They have the smaller ones that are $3.99, and then down here, what's the medium size? But there's a few things over here I have to show you guys. So I have these little enamel planters with the black rim. Those are really cute for $1.49. I also have these that are like a recycled plastic, and those are $1.99. They look just like the other ones that I showed you guys in the cement. They also have some in wood. These are $7.99. And then we're gonna get back to these baskets, but I will show you guys these. They have 3 different textures. So they've got this one for $5.99. They're actually all $5.99. I have a few of this one at home in my bathroom, and they also come in the darker version that's also $5.99. Now for my favorites, I think these are gorgeous, so timely. I think right now this is going to be really popular. So this one is the larger one for $12.99. They also have a smaller one that is $6.99. And then they have some that are not the 2-tone, but I love those. These come in, it looks like at least 2 sizes. So this is a larger one for $7.99. It does have a plastic liner, and then they have the smaller ones. This one's missing the liner. Looks like the smaller size has them, at least this size, just $4.99, and it also comes in the black. Over here they have some more pretty pots. This one is gorgeous. It's only $5.99. Oh, I'd be taking that home. They also have this one with the scalloped edge in green for $7.99. And then they have this one that's a sort of a cobalt blue and green, and both of those are $7.99. This is always one of my favorite areas. I just love all of the plants that they have out. Looks like they're doing a little set of 3 miniature plants. Those are going to be $4.99 a piece. And then over here, they've got another pack for $3.99. For $12.99, they have this 3-pack of really pretty pink flowers. I am so tempted. I really want to buy this for my daughter's room. They also have some pretty cool smaller pots. These are actually $5.99 a piece, glazed on the outside. And this is really funny. They're 99 cents. They're just sort of like the top of a plant. So I'm guessing that you could put these in a small pot. They have them just sitting here, which I think is a little funny. But I want to show you guys the lavender. It's so pretty. It's very realistic. Ugh. This one is $9.99 for the pot, and then for $5.99 they have a few more faux potted floral. This one in the brighter pink, and then they have white pots for all of them. The larger pots are only $1.99, and then they have the smaller ones for 99 cents. Got lots of these in the bright orange for $2.99. For 99 cents, they have all these little mini pots. And then up here, they have a faux orchid. This one is $9.99. Actually comes like this in the black plastic pot. And for this one, they just popped it into one of those 99-cent white pots. They have a really pretty wreath. This one is $24.99. Creamy, lots of, is that like wood shavings, I think. And then for $12.99, have a pretty tall green hydrangea. This one just comes in the little black pot. So I love their faux plants. I always look at them when I'm here, and they have them on sale. These are supposed to be $7.99. They're on sale for $6.99. I don't know about that price. Actually have that one on the far left. This is the only one I found like this, and I love it. I'm also really liking this one. Kind of trails. And then love the fern. And then this one is kind of a little bit like a donkey's tail. Pretty small though for $6.99. For $4.99 they do have these really pretty faux succulents. These are a pretty good size. And then they have this, and it is $12.99. I think this is willow, if I'm not mistaken, and this one is really heavy plastic in the white. So these are all $29.99 a piece. They are taller, grassy things. And then they've got, it's like boxwood tree, and that one is $39.99. Definitely needs fluffed. They also have these standing roses, and these would be great for a wedding even. They're $29.99. Pretty tall. Let me give you guys a perspective. This is gotta be like 30 inches or more. For $29, they have some cactus. That one's really tall as well. And it's a really, I think, durable texture. I think it's going to be easily dusted. They also have lots of palms hidden over here. I think these are going to be $29.99 or $39.99. They're just a boxwood topiary, but that is a very tall topiary. Here's my hand. So that's another tall one. They also have this, and I think this one is $19.99. Let me show you guys. I think that's that one. For $50, they have a fiddle leaf. These are also tall. And then hidden over here, they have a palm. This one's a little bit shorter than the fiddle leaf. Looks like these are pretty popular. People have been pulling them out. Looks like there's another type of palm back there as well. Got even more new things over here. So these are $12.99. I like those a lot. They also have a eucalyptus that is $12.99. That's really tall. And then they have a potted succulent for $12.99. You get 3 succulents on that one. Here's the smaller boxwood topiary, and those are $12.99. And then I think these are $2.99. At least that's what this says. And then they've got these for $5.99. And then the taller grass for $20. Over here they have a few more. This one's marked at $9.99. It's very realistic. We've got these for $3.99. And then I think these are $2.99. They also have a little bonsai, and that one is $2.99. How cute is this planter for $35? They've got a bunch of this willow in it. And I have to show you guys what's over here. I love their little faux setups, and this one is so pretty in person. lighting is a little weird on the camera, but I'm going to show you this rug that is $29.99. Another thing that would definitely be coming home with me once we are in Texas. I love that. So last time we were here, we saw these woven shades, and I like them even more now. So the larger two up front are $70, and then they have this hanging pennant style. This one is $59, and then they've got almost like a basket upside down, and that one is $40. Over here they've got another version as well. This one is only $29.99. Really like this one. It's a good size too. Can't find a price on this one, but it is on the other side of those ones that were $29.99. Over here they've got some really modern ones. That one is actually pink. It's coming off a little bit peach on camera. And then these in the black that have the gold on the inside. There are a few different sizes. And they also come in a white lined with gold. So it looks like this one actually comes in a standing lamp version for $54.99. It's really interesting. Just a small, I'd say tabletop, definitely wouldn't put that on the floor. So I'm actually here for a few things for our son who is moving out. He's an adult. As you guys know, we're moving. There are a few things I needed to pick up before the move. I am loving all of these woven items. It's making me rethink everything that I'm taking with me to Texas on the move. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to look at the decor and accessories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun.